You'll walk in the footsteps of America's most dangerous criminals.
Hey, we out here, baby. From Chicago to San Fran. We're gonna catch you at Alcatraz, baby. Alright, we're here because we're going to Alcatraz. We're gonna record audio and camera footage.
Yo, there's usually a chest like right over here. Helicopter's actually like right on there on that platform. So stupid.
On the vessel and in the gift shops on Alcatraz. You are welcome to picnic at the dock area only.
Going up or down stairwells. For your security, please keep all personal items. We invite you to explore its multi-layered history.
To get up there, just follow this road all the way.
There's usually a bunch of cars right here. There's usually a bunch of cars right here, and there's usually some chests right in.
Where do you get the audio tour?
I tell you.
We are at Alcatraz today. Check out the scenery behind me. This is the prison courtyard. I gotta tell you, this is probably one of the dopest tours I've been on, so that we can teach people about these spaces, but also share the sounds of these spaces.
Oh, this was soft. Oh my god, it's so small. No, it's a bathroom. There's not a bathroom. That was it. Some of these have loop. Prison bars opening. This is in the dining hall where they would eat and conversate, I guess. I don't know. I just can't imagine. Look at how this looked back then. They had assorted of dry cereals, steamed wheat, scrambled eggs, fresh milk, stewed fruit, toast, bread, butter, and coffee. And that's about it. And look how it looked. You have to receive your food through the smallest window. And they're cooking all the oatmeal, things like that right here. Looks like they still have some products. That's crazy. The sign that I was reading off of was right here. 1963. I wonder, what was the last meal given through this window? I don't even know what to say. I'm like starstruck. I can't imagine being locked up in here. Like, look how small this cell is, bro. Look how small. We legit have a toilet, a sink, a bed, and a little seat and a table and your shelves. Bro, I need my leg room, bro. Like, we've explored the whole island basically.
Yeah,
We went through.
we're so hungry now.
I don't even know. Oh, there's an open one, huh?
Yes,
We're gonna go into open place, get some dope pictures. Should I get my flash? Should I get my flash? I think I should get the flash.
Oh wow.